Hello. Welcome to the pet room. David Bradley here. I have snagged this other 2031 low profile drive. Now, do I know much about it? I do not. Nothing at all, really. Except it says House of Computers on it. This does. Okay. It goes on. It spins. That's a good sign. Now, I don't know. Oh, what have we got? I don't know that I have had occasion to open up one of these before. I might have. Certainly. 2031, sorry, 1541s. Oh, yes. 2031s are hard to find. There weren't, I suspect, nearly as many of them made because most people. Oh, yeah, there's something not right here. Reader. That does not feel like there's a screw in there. It feels like there's a screw in there. But there could be. I don't think there is. Alright. 2031. Hello, 2031. And of course, what greets us on the inside but a whole whack of shielding. So, once we take off the shielding, we should be able to take a look. At the circuit board. They were fastened on one side, and they sort of springed into the other side. But we must unplug the LED because it's stuck through a thing here. And with it down, it's hard to get it out, but when it's up, it's hard to get it down. Ta-da! All right. So, boy, it remarkably looks like the board of a 1541, which is not at all surprising, because essentially, except for the different interface, that's what it is. So, much the same as the high-profile drive, we have a circuit board that goes from the front to the back and the back to the front. It may be not quite as long, but really it does look tremendously like the 1541 longboard, the original. But on it, it has a 6502 and two 6522s. Now, I suppose, okay, this thing, I'm sure, is screwing up. But I suppose before I do anything, tragic. At least I think it is. I don't know how long. Oh yeah. It's not doing nice things. It's already on to, I think, the 7th copy, and it's only at like 17 minutes, and it's just no way. So something is not right in here. No, it's not right. It's coming up with putting down the ridge. Print TS string. Some kind of read error. Print TI string. 1829. Let's look at drive 1. It won't read. Let's look at drive 0. Okay, so drive 0 seems to be okay. Drive 1 seems to not be, which is exactly what was going on before. So, is it the drive, or is it something on the upper board? The drive is spinning. Okay, absolutely something. Absolutely something. All right, I'm going to turn this off now. And I'm going to steal the power cable from here and put it in this drive. And turn it on. And it does what it should do. Now, I'm going to take the IEEE connector and put it on to the 2031, which I have not had plugged in I have no idea how long. Let's see if it responds. And it does. And it's reading the directory. Now, I can't really run a lot of the diagnostic-y things on here that I have written because, of course, there for the dual drive, there's only one drive. What I can do, don't fall down here, is take this disk, which has basically been formatted, but the other drive won't write to it, and I can issue the header command. I'll say 2031 LP quote, comma I LP, comma D0. Are you sure? Yes, I am. And it will go out and hopefully format the disk. And once it has done that, then I think perhaps I will take my little wee screwdriver and one by one I will swap out the 6502 and the 6522s from the 2031, and I will put them in here. And actually, you know what? I'm going to be brave. I see one here. Okay. I can't see the years. What am I doing here? Huh. Interesting. Well, maybe at some point things were changed in this. I don't remember ever having it done or doing it. So I am going to take out a 6522 chip. And I'm going to push this back in place. And I think that we are formatted. And indeed we are. So I'm going to shut this off. Now, this one came out of this. Now, undoubtedly, all these things will be different. They will. But if it's a bad chip, it should not matter the location. Okay. So I'm going to take out a 6522. It's been in there a long time, and it doesn't want to give it up. Okay, it's out. I'll put this one over here. I will look at this one. Tweak this end pin ever so slightly. It's the only one that seems to have an issue. And I will verify the witness mark. And I will push it in and turn the drive on. And if all goes well, the drive won't spin. Or the drive will spin. And it seemed okay. And it still functions. So we will try something else. There's another 6522 chip here. There is. Now, do I put it in the same one that I took it out of? I think I will. So I can get at this easy, and also I've just done this, so this chip shouldn't have a vast history. I'll set that on top of the other one where it came out of. I will check the pins, verify the witness mark. Oh boy. It is being a little difficult. Perhaps that pin, it's a little tweak, just a little tweak. Just a little tweak. All right. Oh, that is not feeling right. It went in nicely on the one side, but not on the other. So, before anything else happens, take it back out, have a look at everything, and pop it in. It still is not feeling right. Why is this? There are no bent pins. All right, I'm going to go from the other side this time. I get it all lined up. I give it a gentle push towards this side. Okay, now we're in. And now we turn on the drive. And it still works. All right. Well, the last major chip here is the 6502. And I really hope this is what it is. Otherwise, I will be some baffled. And who knows, maybe because it looks like maybe these chips, I might have done this years ago to try and get this working. I don't know. I just don't know. All right, come on, 6502. Come on, there we go. Okay, I will put that down. I will look at the chip. I will look at the pins. I will look at everything. It all looks good. All right, please don't work. Damn. Damn, 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 damn. 65, 62, UC1, UE1. Will UC1, UE1. On this board, I see nothing of that description. Shocking. Well, I'll have to go and look for something more specific to the 2031. And I think my phone is trying to die. So, stay tuned. Gotta figure this out. Gotta figure this out. Bye for now.